So this is moment of truth. You have just officially finished.
Yes.
Making your first wig. So how you feel?
I feel great, well educated on how to sew wigs now and construct and everything else.
Okay. Anything you want to share with your new up-and-coming fellow mates that come in and take this class? What's your thoughts? Any tips? Anything you want to share?
The class is very hands-on, and you're very patient, and you're not going to leave the class without knowing what you're doing. You're definitely going to get your money's worth, so I highly recommend.
What?
Yeah.
So you're going to come out knowing what you're doing?
Exactly.
I didn't tell you to say that, but okay.
It's facts.
It's facts.
It's facts.
It's facts. Look at you. Got your first wig. Ooh. Oh, okay. I like that angle.
If you wanted to flip, you can. You know.
I like that
angle.
angle.
If the wind blows, it don't show no tracks.
Yeah, part that in the back. Let's see your... lift that hair in the back so we can see the spacing. So if you turn around to the back, Lord, you just spinning around. What I appreciate is how close she stitched. Look at that. Look how neat that is. How close that stitching is of that closure in that last one. And that was her first time. You can't tell me nothing. All right, let's see. Let's see what you got. Let me see that spacing. Let's see those. Okay.
Can you see? Or
you can't see.
It's kind of hard to see.
You're not supposed to see.
Exactly.
Seamless. Look at you. So whoever get hurt, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that.